Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to turn on browsing history on Amazon on an Android device. Okay, let's go to the tutorial. First thing first, you can go and open the Amazon application on your device. And then here you can click profile icon at the bottom. And then click your account. After that, please scroll down. And then you can select browsing history. And then press here. And then you can turn it on like this. Okay, and then browsing history on Amazon on your device is successfully turned on. That's the tutorial on how to turn on browsing history on Amazon on an Android device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.